Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys. You're eating
Namaste.
coffee.
Namaste first.
Namaste.
Now I will take coffee. Wow, you have coffee. And I cook for you pancake.
And how about this?
And this one is a sweet pistachio halwa. My friend gave me. You can try. Or you can put honey if you want.
What is
Honey for the
sweet can?
pancake, okay?
How do we-
Hi guys, let's eat. Good morning.
And it's a
Did you sleep? Did you sleep nice last night, or you have bad dreams? You said there is monster.
But the monster pulled my feet.
You didn't pray last night. You pray, right?
Yes.
And why?
This was the particular
Oh, see the apple in Australia. Oh, it's nice. See?
Mommy, look at. Mommy, yesterday you're going there.
Where? Australia? Wow, I like the apple.
You like that, but
Kain na guys. Sabi mo, kain na tayo.
I want to go there.
Okay, we'll go there. Tell to them, Tagalog anak, kain na po.
Kain na po.
Halina po. Kain na tayo. Kain na tayo. Hata. You're Filipino? What you are doing? You're dipping in the coffee?
Yes, I'm eating.
Filipino ka ba? You are from where?
I'm Benito.
Half Filipino?
Yes,
Half what? Half?
exactly.
Half Filipino. You're drinking coffee and you're also dipping like Filipino style. Do you like it? It's nice. Kain guys, sabi mo.
Kain, guys.
Sarap ba? Masarap.
Yes.
Masarap po. Anak lang tagal. Masarap po. Busog na ako. Ay. Busog ka na? Opo. Sabi mo.
Apo.
Opo, mami.
Opo, Mommy.
Bye guys. See you again next time. Thank you for watching.